For a particular machine that produces beads, 29 out of every 100 beads it produces have a defect. A bead produced by the machine will be selected at random. What is the probability of selecting a bead that has a defect? First, I'm going to highlight the question. What is the probability of selecting a bead that has a defect? Then I'm going to underline what we know. So we know that 29 out of every 100 beads has a defect, and a bead will be selected at random. So we know a probability is equal to part over whole. So the probability of selecting a bead with a defect, it will be the possible, which is 29, out of the total 100. So this matches answer choice C. If you like this video, please DM me SAT for your free SAT study guide.